Okay, guys, this is my 2011 We the People versus bike check. Start with the front. So high Q light rim. It's rounded right here. Pretty nice. Mankind purple valve stem covers. Salt hub. Spokes laced to it. Salt Pro stem. We the People bars. Lime green matte finish. Salt U-brake lever, linear cable leading back to a Salt Moto U-brake, which I'm not taking off. So I don't care what all you street people think. You need brakes. So matte finish gray on the tapered forks. We the 2011 We the People versus frame. 100% chrome alley. Got off a dance comp. So got my Eclat Surge PC pedals. IQ light rim in the back, not rounded because of brakes. Salt pitch flow tires. Tread's pretty good. Really good for foot jamming. If you like foot jamming, it's good for that. Animal Edwin Della Rosa signature grips in purple. Kind of looks blue in the video, but they're purple in real life. Shadow Conspiracy pivotal seat with stolen Thermalite, a 75mm seat post, really small, all leather. Salt 25 tooth sprocket, Salt 3-piece cranks. So yeah, that's my bike check. Subscribe, comment and subscribe. If you think that this is better than the 2012 Sunday Spark, please subscribe and let me know. That's to Dylan, by the way. Alright, thank you. Bye.